The search for Oklahoma's next Supreme Court justice after a historic upset in the November election. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sylvia Corkill. 3 justices faced a retention vote this election cycle, one of them losing their seat on the bench. News 9's Matt McCabe joins us live from the state Supreme Court with the timeline on finding a replacement. Matt?
Sylvia, this is a first in state history that a Supreme Court justice has not been retained on the ballot. Last week started the roughly month-long process of fielding applications to be the next justice. A sudden drop of millions of dollars turned an unprecedented amount of attention to this month's ballot question over retaining 3 of Oklahoma's Supreme Court justices. In the end, 2 narrowly survived by a slim margin. A third, Yvonne Kauger, lost her seat on the bench by a slim 7,000 votes, now leaving the vacancy in the hands of the Judicial Nominating Commission.
It's designed to be nonpartisan, and it's got a lot of stopgaps and a lot of things that prohibit it from being partisan based on the members.
News 9 Legal Analyst Irven Box says it's not fully known how exactly the group chooses from among the applicants applying to fill the soon-to-be vacant seat.
These are secret, behind closed doors meetings, and their reasoning is that some of those questions are very sensitive, like asking people about their bankruptcy or their divorces or things of that nature.
The oddity of losing a justice in a retention vote is a first for Oklahoma since it adopted the practice in the late 1950s. Box says it's not exactly a victory for the groups who spent so much money opposing 3 justices.
I think the public's going to be a little bit more aware of now, especially when you find out where did the money come from to start with that funded the campaign against these 3 judges.
15 members will sort through a field of applications. Of those members, only 6 are lawyers. In addition to living in Judicial District 4, anyone who applies, they must also be older than 30 and have been an attorney for at least 5 years. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, Matt McCabe, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.
All right, Matt, thank you. And applicants have until December 20th to submit their interest. Governor Stitt will then choose from the 3 finalists to make the appointment.